Hello children, today we will learn about our body. Our body has different parts like head, legs, ears, mouth, brain, lungs, heart and many more. These all are called organs. So first let's learn in detail what are organs. Organs are different parts of body. Our body has two types of organs. They are external organs and internal organs. So first we will learn about external organs in this video. Here you can see many names of external organs. External organs are those which we can see through our eyes. So starting from the upper side, here is head, that is external organ, hair, forehead, eyes, ear, nose, etc. We perform different activities with the help of different organs. So first we will start from legs. What the legs do for us? Our legs perform different activities like we can walk with our legs and so many other activities we can do with the help of our legs. Here, see in the picture, one boy is walking and the other is running. We do kick and dance with the help of our legs. In this picture, the boy is kicking the football and the girl is dancing with the help of their legs. More jobs of our legs are to skip and to jump. See in this picture, the girl is skipping with the help of rope on her legs. These children are jumping. So legs do different jobs. Now come to hands. Our hands perform different activities like to hold and to eat. In this picture, the girl is holding a carrot in her hand and our hands help us to eat. In this picture, the boy is eating an apple holding in his hand. We use our hands in painting and in writing. We paint beautiful pictures in our drawing book with the help of our hands, and we write in the notebook and complete our homework. We use our hand to throw and to catch. See in this picture, two children are playing with a ball. One is throwing a ball and the other is catching the ball. So we use our hands to throw and to catch anything. Next organ is our mouth. We use our mouth to eat and to smile. We eat anything through our mouth. We speak also with our mouth. See in this picture, the little boy is speaking something to the elder one. Now, let's learn about sense organ. There are some organs that help us to feel, see and sense our surroundings. They all are called sense organs. There are only 5 sense organs. They are eyes, nose, ears, tongue and our skin. So let's learn about them in detail. First we will learn about eyes. You know what we can do through our eyes? We see with our eyes. We can see the different colors, shapes and sizes. See in the picture, the boy is watching TV and he is using his eyes to watch the TV. So the sense organ to see anything is eye. Next is nose. What the job of nose is? We smell with our nose. Smell can be good and bad. See in this picture, the girl is smelling the sweet fragrance of some flowers. So we use our nose in different way, and that is to smell. Now next is ear. We hear with our ears, we can hear the various sounds, and we can know also from where the sounds are coming. It helps to listening the music. See in the picture, the girl is enjoying to listen to music, and it is only because of our ears. The next sense organ is our tongue. We taste with our tongue. Children, do you know that our tongue has taste buds to taste sweet, sour, bitter and salty things, like ice cream is sweet, lemon is sour, bitter gourd is bitter. So it's only our tongue which tastes us so many things. See in this picture, the boy is licking the ice cream and it's sweet. So what can we learn? That it is our tongue that tastes what the thing is. Now next and last sense organ is our skin. Skin helps us to feel cold, hot, soft, hard, smooth, etc. See in this picture, the girl is holding a teddy bear in her arms and feeling that teddy bear is very soft. So we can touch anything and can get to know what is cold, what is hot, what is soft and what is hard, and so many. Only with the help of our skin. Children, do you know that our largest sense organ is our skin?